So from today we're gonna see which DSA questions are important and that we should know before going to any company's interview. Or we can say if we are starting it after a taking break from from you, if we have taken long break or we got placed in one company and now we want to switch to another company, but whatever the powers DSA powers we had in college and before getting placed in that company, and yeah, how to achieve that that is possible with practice that we did in college, but it's basically what what the thing is, now we should start with bare minimum, like that we know what company expect from us, and most of the time we think we have to practice more and more and more, then that the habit of finding pattern will get uh, built in our mind like how it built it before. But what do I think right now is we should the we should do those questions only, that what I said, that bare minimum. We should those first that question, then we'll go towards the next questions which are like, first do bare minimum, do perfect it, then whatever the companies that we will get, like if someone say us that tomorrow is your interview, then we will be like, okay, we know what mostly I ask patterns, like what mostly ask DSA patterns, and we had solved two questions from that, and now there will be nothing which will be not familiar. Like I'll it on that time we will not be like ki, I have to do, I haven't done practice not well, I need 1 week or some time. On that time we will be ready that yes, I'll give interview tomorrow. For that purpose we will solve some problems from today, that should be basically, that should be in our mind, or we should be thoroughly practice it throughout every day, or if we practice it we shouldn't forget it, that we shouldn't forget that pattern. Okay, so that's not much, like okay, that will be the much, but what do I think is, whatever I have given interviews, like I have given 15 plus interviews in 15 plus company, what I had observed that not like most of the questions were from the Leetcode 75, like not the exact one, but every pattern I was getting at that time, it was like yes, I have solved this question, I I know this pattern, and almost every time that pattern is from Leetcode 75. So we'll start Leetcode 75, not Leetcode 75, sorry, not Leetcode 75. Okay, yes, we will solve Leetcode 75 from today, and yeah, we'll solve it. Let's start.